Hair transplant in African hair loss candidates. Hair transplant in African candidates can present certain challenges due to unique characteristic of their hair. However, contrary to common misconceptions, hair transplant can be highly effective for all hair types. Curly, thick hair can actually serve you several benefits. African hair is typically wavy or curly with dense texture, which often give appearance of greater fullness. This means that fewer hair grafts can achieve a high density of coverage. As a result, curly hair can often provide excellent result with relatively smaller number of follicular grafts. If you are unsure whether hair transplant is right for you, there is no need to worry. Different hair types are not a contraindication for the procedure. In fact, curly hair can be advantageous, allowing for a fuller appearance with fewer grafts. On the other hand, it is important to recognize that performing hair transplant on individuals with curly hair, such as many African Americans, can present with unique challenges. These procedures require exceptional precision and skill to achieve the desired outcomes. Let's explore the specific challenges associated with hair transplant in African Americans. So number one challenge is African hair follicles are often angled. They are typically C-shaped and the skin in the donor area is usually thicker and less pliable. This requires careful dissection of the graft to avoid damaging the hair roots. Additionally, FUE can be more challenging due to varying angles of the hair follicles, necessitating precision and expertise to achieve the best results. Next challenge is, in FUE technique, we understand that the risk of donor over-harvesting and are adept at choosing the ideal punch size to minimizing the scar, taking into account patient's skin type and hair caliber. So challenge 3 is African hairlines generally exhibit a straighter shape with minimal no frontotemporal recession. They can even present a near right angle at frontotemporal area while still appearing natural. Depending on the degree of hair loss and practically of achieving the shape, a squared off of the frontal hairline may be preferred. However, in cases of more advanced hair loss, rounding the frontotemporal angle is often necessary to create a natural looking results and to account for future hair loss as the patient ages. While facial shape can influence the final design, these guidelines provide a solid foundation. Additionally, the natural curly nature of African hair allows for effective coverage of bald areas with fewer grafts, as each follicle can cover a relatively large area of bald scalp, allowing for a denser appearance with fewer grafts. Now, when it comes to African hair, length of hair transplant procedure is usually much more than compared to other races, which have straight hair, like Caucasians. This is a specialized form of hair transplant which requires expertise and skill sets and with hands-on experiences. Hope you find this video informative. If you have any query, please do write in the comment section. Thank you.